In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music that plays across all slides in PowerPoint. A well-chosen soundtrack can elevate your presentation, creating a consistent mood without distracting from your message. The process is straightforward, and by the end, your music will start automatically and continue seamlessly from the first slide to the last. First, head to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. This is where all your media tools live. Look for the audio option, then choose Audio on my PC. This tells the program you want to bring in a file you already have. A file browser will open so you can navigate to your music. Common formats like MP3 and WAV work well and are widely supported. Select the track you want and confirm your choice to insert it. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide, which represents the audio file you just added. Now, click that audio icon once to select it. When it's selected, a new set of audio tools appears in the ribbon. Find the Playback tab that shows up across the top. On this tab, there's a single, very handy command called Play in Background. Click Play in Background. With that one choice, the program automatically configures the essential settings for you. It tells the audio to start by itself when the slideshow begins and to keep playing across all slides so the music doesn't stop when you move forward. This bundled option is designed specifically for background music so you don't have to hunt through multiple toggles. At this point, your soundtrack is linked to your presentation and ready to run behind your content smoothly. If your song is shorter than the presentation, the background setting typically loops it so the ambience continues without interruption. If the track is longer, it will simply keep playing as you proceed. Either way, your audience hears a consistent audio bed while you present. A few practical notes can help everything feel polished. Instrumental tracks usually work best because they support your voice rather than compete with it. Moderate volume is ideal so the music stays supportive and subtle. Also, keep your audio files stored in a reliable location on the same device you'll present from to avoid last-minute surprises. Different versions of the software may look a little different, but the Insert tab, Audio on my PC option, and the Playback tab's Play in Background command remain the core of this workflow. And that's it. With just those steps, you've added background music that starts automatically and carries across all your slides, giving your presentation a cohesive, professional feel.